Hey Wayne, this is Jason. Thanks for taking my call earlier today, and thank you for allowing me to send you this video. Over the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'm gonna go over three things you can do today for free to help drive more customers to your business. Three things that we are going to talk about today. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. So without further ado, not to waste anybody's time, we'll get into it. When we talk about content, what we're talking about is all the words and pictures and things that you can see on your homepage. Okay. And so what you're going to want to have is about 1,500 words of content. And this also includes how the pictures are saved, and the things that are in there behind the pictures and the links. So what you have here right now, and we can go over here to one of my tools to have a look, is about 195 words of content. Okay, one of your competitors that ranks on the first page has 2,600, almost 2,700 words of content. So what happens here is Google sees that as more authoritative, more trustworthy, um, more value added to the customer who's searching for you. Okay. Plus, when you have more words, you can get in more of your keyword searches that people are searching for. As you can see right here, plumbing repeats 52 times. Okay. For this competitor of yours, and for you down here, it's way down here at 3. Okay. So 49 times you're not even seeing a customer that's looking for the same thing because of where you're ranking, because of your keywords and your content. Okay. So the next thing we're looking at is citations. Okay. And citations are basically your name, address, and phone number in various directories across the web. All right. So as you can see here, you have 46 citations, and one of your competitors here has 52. So normally higher citations equal a greater position on what we call the map pack. Okay, so if we go into here and we look up Portsmouth plumbing, all right, and right here is this. Where'd it go? Went away from me. Right here is this nifty little section right here that is so awesome. It's a marvel of modern technology, the map pack. And as you can see, you are ranking above that competitor in the map pack. And what that tells me is, even though they may have more of those citations, yours are higher quality, higher power. Okay, but there's still some work that can be done. You're generally going to want to have 200 to 300 rather than like 50 citations to just solidify your spot right there and at number A, at the top part on the Portsmouth plumbing. Also, in case you were planning on doing business outside of Portsmouth, which I hope you are, we have this great, awesome Tidewater area full of customers, then that's going to help with that as well. So the last thing we'll talk about is backlinks. Okay, and so backlinks are when another website sends a link back to your website, and not all backlinks are created the same. For example, if you had Pizza Hut sending a backlink to your site, it's not going to have as much power and validity as would, say, another plumber's site. So obviously, we want quality backlinks. Okay, what backlinks do for you is in this organic search. So after the ads and after the map pack, the actual numbered searches here, it gets you higher ranking in those searches. So on the first page, we see a few of your competition here, Roto-Rooter. Everything else is kind of one of those directories we talked about, or an ad. And then on the second page, is where we get down into where you guys are at. All right. So the difference between you and, say, just Newman's, who's just a couple spots ahead of you up here, would be your backlinks. And so we'll go over here to another nifty tool I have called Ahrefs. And here is your overview for your page. And we see that we have 49 referring domains giving you 458 backlinks. Okay. But Newman have 84 referring domains for 363 backlinks. Look how many organic keywords that they're getting searched for, and they're paying for none of them. You're only getting hit for 38 organic keywords. All right, so this is what it's worth to them versus what it's worth to you. Okay, and so what we can do is we can obviously go in and we can look at these backlinks, and we can look at these referring domains. And we can see what they have that you don't have. And we can grab those. So at the very least, we could be on the same par, but we can even go further and grab some of the ones that they don't have. So get you ranking higher in organic. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about. We're at the end of our video here. Basically, it's in your court now. And what I can say is, hey, take this information and go use it yourself if you want to. Or if you don't have time for that and you're looking for somebody you can trust to handle these things for you, give me a call or an email. I'll answer any questions that you might have, and we can get going. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much, Wayne. Have a great day.